₹50
50 रुपये
50
50 रुपये 50 रुपये. Where are you from?
US, Karnataka. I'm from Bangalore. Bangalore.
Karnataka. It's a place called Gauribidnur.
Okay.
It's just 70 kilometers from here.
Delhi.
Bangalore.
Which part of Bangalore is good?
Which part of Bangalore? Kormangla, Brigade Road, MG Road. The whole of Bangalore.
Where should I go?
Everywhere in Bangalore.
Koramangala,
MG,
Indiranagar.
Commercial Street for shopping. Yeah, and
How we say hi in Kannada?
Namaste.
That's Hindi.
No, that's Kannada too. Namaskara. Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Tumba. What is that?
Tumba is. Oh my God, Tumba. Full.
It's a big thing.
No. Tumba is full.
Full. And what is it? Chumba.
Chumba, there's no word.
The chumma, this chumma, that.
Oh,
What
that chumma. Chumma is simply airy, you know? Airy in Punjabi, yeah.
Why you love Bangalore?
It's a greenery and the climate is very cool
Okay.
and nice people, nice culture.
Well, this place is really good. I love the weather. Bangalore weather is like in India. I think Bangalore has the best weather.
of the food,
Okay.
especially in Koramangala.
So all the way from Germany to Bangalore for food.
I discovered that I love it. I didn't come for the food, but when I came here, I discovered that.
It's nice place to stay and it provides a opportunity of employment, so it's nice.
Opportunity of employment.
Yeah.
You? What do you say about this?
Yeah, Bangalore is a good place.
It is good. Everybody knows that. But why it's good?
Startup hub. I can say.
For
Yeah.
us?
Yeah, probably.
Need not have reasons to love Bangalore. There's so many things to be loved about Bangalore. It's weather, it's our IT industry, everything.
Click on Hub,
Okay.
and then
The weather especially.
weather.
Weather is. It is good.
Summer is just nearing, otherwise.
The weather, the people, the places that they have, it's like, I think one of the best cities to stay in.
I think what makes Bangalore is the people. It's a very intelligent, artistic, and very friendly crowd of people. So it was very easy for me to settle in.
You got everything in Bangalore, which a person would love.
Okay.
Like a brand new, good, great weather.
Dedicate a song to me.
मैंने होठों से लगाई तो
It's okay.
हवा हो गया.
Anisuti diya ko indu.
Give me 3 words in Kannada. Any words. Would you know?
Like Garu is like G, like Garu, like Hanji, like Sharma ji is like Garu.
Garu ji?
No, it's Garu.
Garu ji is
Sharma
G?
Garu is like Sharma ji.
Okay.
Neer is water.
What is
Neer is water. And what else do I say?
Kind of it's getting hot these days.
2 names are there. Bangalore, Bengaluru. So what is that?
I'm guessing one is the Indian name and the name given by, decided by the government, and the other is the British name. I'm not sure.
So which one is the Indian name?
Bengaluru.
Are you sure?
No.
Bangalore is a Kannada this thing.
Okay.
Previously it was a Bendakalu. It has become Bengaluru.
Okay.
Bangalore was a English pronunciation.
Okay.
That's the
So,
reason.
which is better word? Bangalore or Bengaluru?
Bengaluru.
So I should call Bengaluru, not Bangalore?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you. How will I say in Kannada?
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
One step which is famous in Kannada in dance.
Okay, let me just. It's like Tapan Gucci, right? They do. Open dance.
Describe me about Bangalore in a word.
In a word, magical.
How?
Because everywhere you go, I can see magic happening.
Fun, awesome food, awesome people. The weather is great. I couldn't describe it in one word. One word. Everything is good, from the street food, pubs, hotels, everything is awesome.
Like, share, and subscribe to Pura Brothers.